check what how many subscribers that I have into like no way. No way. No way. I know I didn't make it to 50 subscribers, but no way. I finally got 25 subscribers because it changed my mind though, because that will be a while. But still, oh my god, after all this time been struggling to do some events, and because some videos are long, some videos are short. So thank you all supporting me with 25 subscribers. Next one is what it's 40 subs. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Good. So thank you all for supporting. I'll be posting you and doing content.